So it's that time of year again when Amazon is announcing the new Fire TV devices. And with everything looming with Vega OS, is this the release that kills sideloading on the Fire TV device? We're going to go ahead and jump into it. So for the most part, the past couple years, we've been hearing a lot of rumors about Vega OS coming to the Fire TV, thus killing sideloading altogether. And while this hasn't happened via update, the rumors is that when a new device is released, that's when Vega will be implemented. But officially in 2025, Amazon has announced new devices at the end of the month. This is going to include Fire TVs, Echoes, Kindles, and a lot more. But you know, on this channel, we're really just worried about the Fire TV sticks. So let's go ahead and we're going to read a little bit from AFTV News. Of course, I'll leave the full article in the description. Title of this one is Amazon to announce new devices at the end of the month. Fire TVs, Echoes, Kindles, and a lot more. So Amazon has sent out invitations to an event on Tuesday, September 30th. in New York City, where the company is expected to reveal new hardware devices. These are going to be Echo smart speakers, Fire TV devices, so that includes the sticks as well as the Fire TV cubes, and Kindle are rumored to be amongst the device announced. This could be when we first see the non-Android Amazon Fire TV model running Amazon's own Vega OS. So for you guys that don't know about Vega OS, this is going to be Amazon's own operating system, kind of like what Samsung did with the Tizen operating system, where they kind of built their own. And the current Fire TVs, they do run Android. But the rumor is that this is going to be a Linux-based device, and it's going to be locked down just like we have with Roku, Apple TV, and no side loading will be allowed. We already seen some devices as far as the Echo shows running Vega, so it's a natural step to get it over to the Fire TV stick, as this has been rumored for a long time. The image which accompanied the invitations shown above appears to have a TV in the lower left, a Kindle in the lower right, and devices emitting Alexa's trademark blue light in the upper half. So this is what they're talking about, TV, and this is related to a Fire TV, Kindle, Alexa, whatever the case is. Again, this is a pretty short read, but I do think that this is significant, that if this is the rollout for Vega on Fire TV, this will be essentially the death of sideloading on Fire TV sticks. And we know that Google as well is doing a crackdown with sideloading as well, so we're going to see it from both fronts. So do you think the bigger streaming companies have won the streaming wars? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.